Let's try this. This one's for you, Lumpy. Those two trees. All right, going for my best Lumpy impression. Oh wait, I got to. I didn't even get the first part right, Nick. All right, here. Where? Oh, I was like I was looking for the trees inverted. I was like, where are the trees though? I think I could do this, Nick. I think I can. Ah, come on. The 180 is much further than I felt like it'd be. It's just impossible too.
I think I can do it. Oh, this shit's impossible.
Oh shit! Those trees came fast. I gotta start the flip earlier. Come right over here. It's like as soon as I get inverted and I turn, I'm like, where's the trees? Damn, which I don't have my USB-C cord. I can't like plug in. I got the wrong angle too. I'll never make it through that way. Juicy flip. Oh, not high enough. Fuck. I think this tag's gonna be the one you just had. Oh man, I'm getting good at this. Rewinding. Alright, here we go. Oh, this is stupid. Right. But see, like when I don't see the underneath the trees when I.
You like moonwalk.
Yeah.
So like.
Well. I didn't get close enough that time.
Nobody's gonna find that spot.
Yeah, for real.
Like if we went to like the loft. You know what I mean?
Okay, that one was probably my closest. Okay, here we go. Oh man, I went above the tree. That was so close, dude. Oh my god. Just gotta go for it, fuck it. If I crash, I crash, right? Just if I crash on this, it's gonna be so hard. I'm not yawning hard enough. Oh, yes, let's go. I'm bringing it in. Where are we? Okay. I did it kind of slow, but